In this video, I'll show you how you can fix can't set process priority in Task Manager. Now first you want to open up your Task Manager and keep in mind you can only do it from the Details tab and not from in here. So head over to Details and find the one you want to do it with. Now in my case, let's just do CapCut. Now if you cannot do the set priority if it's not here, what you want to do is go to Properties and then from in here go to Security. Then you want to press Edit on all of these. So first do the System one, Edit. Then in here, you want to select this one. Make sure everything is allowed. Go to the next one, make sure everything is allowed. Go to the next one, make sure everything is allowed. Now if some of these are on Deny, that can cause the issue that you cannot do it. So like I said before, you want to make sure that it's on all of these or allowed. Now once you've done that, it should work. Otherwise, try and restart your PC and then you can do it. Now keep in mind, some of these things you cannot actually change the priority. So some of these will be some Windows services that you cannot do it on. But for most things, you should be able to do it, like old games and stuff like that. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.